standard operating procedure law that goes into effect and affects all brokerages in the entire state of New York as of April 20th, 2022. You have to have this information on your website. Now, if you go on NYSAR's website, you can find a link, and we will post this on New York State MLS. We'll post a link to this. This is what you need to fill out right here. It is what you need to check off, but it also needs to be notarized. So make sure you get it notarized. This has to be on your broker's website, and you have to give a link to this on all of your agent's website as well. It needs to be down in the footer. And here's an example of what a footer could look like, where it says standard operating procedure. That needs to be a clickable link. If you don't have a way to do this, and you don't have a technological way to do it, you're going to have to contact your website provider. If you do not have a website and you use Facebook, social media, you're going to have to post this link on your Facebook page. If you need a website because you don't have one and you have to post a standard operating procedure, contact us at New York State MLS, nystatemls.com, office at nystatemls.com, and let us know that you need a website, and we'll make you a website. If you have any questions or comments, put them below, like and subscribe, and send us an email if you need any help.